Here we have a video from the BBC archives. You'll notice on the student screen that my slide has not advanced to the next slide yet because the teacher view is asking if I want to play on all devices or this device only. I'm going to click all devices. It now advances to the next screen to play the video. If I play the video on the teacher's screen, it does not play on the student's screen. However, you may choose to have the video playing on your share screen for some students to watch, and some students may choose to watch the video on their own. That would be a lot of sound happening. Students could always mute themselves, but a really nice trick if you're in Google Chrome is to right-click on the tab at the top, and you can always mute the site. It's a little bit silly in this example because you would want them to hear the video, but it's a really great trick to know about. If I do that, no sound comes from the site. I can simply right click and unmute the site again, and the sound comes right back. Now, as a student, I can control my playback of the video, but you don't have any record of if the student is actually watching the video or how much. So just know that you have very limited control over what the students are doing. There is no way to play the video on student screens for them. They do have to have control of that. So you'll need to decide, do you want to show it on your share screen in Zoom, or do you want them to watch it on their own device? Showing or hiding student names doesn't do awful much here, although I can see if students are currently present with me in the activity. Clicking the menu just asks if I want to exit. I have had questions about maybe the menu does something, so I just wanted to point out it just allows me to exit the entire NearPod. There are some playback settings as far as the quality of the video on the teacher screen, but not on the student's screen. There's a bunch of amazing videos, and again, it may seem like they're not math content related, but I would challenge you to rethink that. I hear so often, how does this apply to the real world? Where's the mathematics in this? Those are great questions to ask students when watching videos like this. Watch a video and talk about what mathematics were necessary in the making of whatever the video content is. Have those conversations about what math looks like in the real world, because if mathematics is just a bunch of numbers on a piece of paper, it's awfully boring. I hope you enjoy these videos. They're really incredible.